Do you want to learn how to create a negative text effect using a multi-line Procreate brush? Look no further. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how easy it is to do that. Hello there, Stephanie here from My Prints Collection, the place where I share with you the best ways for you to use the Procreate app so that you can make money online. This is one of the tutorials of the Multiline series for Procreate. In the previous tutorial, I shared how to create a multiline brush for Procreate, and then we've used that brush to create a geometric seamless pattern from scratch. If you haven't and would like to watch those previous tutorials, make sure to check out the links which will be in the description below. Let's create a negative text effect using a multiline brush for Procreate. Okay, let's open the Procreate app to create our negative text effect. I'm using a screen size Canva, and on a different layer, I'm gonna select my background color, this yellow one, and I'm gonna use the multiline brush that we've created in the previous tutorial, or you can grab, the link will be in the description below. So on top of it, I'm gonna add a new layer and I'm gonna select a different color. So I'm gonna drag and hold to make a perfect line like this. Okay, and now I'm gonna select and move it over here, and I'm just gonna swipe this to make the perfect line. Okay, great. Now I'm gonna duplicate this layer and I'm gonna move it to start creating our pattern. So like this, tap, make sure that it has the same spacing. Merge these two layers, duplicate it again, click on select, place it, tap to make perfect spacing, repeat the process, duplicate, and we are almost done with our pattern, but okay, and tap over here. And lastly, we are going to merge these two, duplicate it, and repeat the process. And tap. Okay, so we have our pattern done. I'm just gonna merge the three layers together, and I'm gonna duplicate it because we are gonna use it later. Now, on top of my layer, I'm gonna use a random color. It could be black, just to see what I'm doing, and you can add any lettering that you want. So I'm gonna use the add text function and click and write caps lock, be a warrior, not a warrior. I'm happy with this. I'm gonna increase the size of this like this. And now with the layer that we've duplicated, turn it on, move it to the top, and create a clipping mask. Okay, and now if you click on select and here on rotate twice, you have a cool negative text effect created, but you can see what's happening. So what I'm gonna do is go here to this layer over here, tap, make sure that I click rasterize, and since it's already black, I'm gonna click here on the Gaussian blur and blur this quite a bit. 5% is okay. And there you go. You've quickly created a negative text effect using a multiline brush for Procreate. And we are done. We have just created a negative text effect using a multiline brush for Procreate. In the next and final tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a water ripple text effect using the Procreate app. If you like multiline brushes, make sure to check out my full multiline brush set for Procreate or grab a sample of this set. The links will be in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next tutorial, happy drills and illustrations.